Hello everyone, let's solve this question. Calculate the angle between the normals to the surfaces x square y plus z is equal to 3 and x log z minus y square is equal to minus 4 at the point of intersection minus 1, comma 2, comma 1. Okay, so over here it's written we have to take out the angle between the normals to the surface. And how do you calculate the normal to a surface? Well, if you have noticed, the gradient of any surface will give you the normal to that surface. Okay, gradient of any surface gives the normal to the surface. So basically I just have to take out the gradient. Okay, gradient of the surface is given. Okay, gradient is what we have to take out. Okay, see, if you see the first surface, let me call it F1. Okay, suppose I'll call it F1. Then if I represent the surface, I can represent it something like this. X square plus y plus z minus 3. Okay, F1 is a function of x, y and z. Okay, and what will be the second function? Second surface, I can represent it as a function of x log z minus y square is equal to minus 4 is given. So I can write over here minus 4 plus y square minus x log z. See, you can go either ways. You can also go x log z minus y square plus 4. Okay, you can go any ways. Okay, now let me take out the gradient. Okay, first surface, if we take out, then what will we get? As you know, how do you take out your gradient? This is how you take out the gradient. Okay. Oops, this is 1. Okay, so basically it's partial derivatives in each direction. In each direction there is x, y and z direction. Okay, so if you substitute the values, then what is it that you'll get? We are 2x y, okay, ax cap, because others will be treated as constants. Okay, over here y will be differentiated and others are constant. So it will be like this. Okay, and then next this one will be 1. Okay, so a z cap. Okay, so this is what I got my gradient for the first surface. Then for the second surface, if I have to calculate, then what will I do? This is also again partial derivatives in each direction is what the gradient is all about. Okay, so okay, now substituting the values, what will you get? Over here it will be minus log z a z cap plus this one will be 2y ay cap. Then next term will be minus x by z a z cap. Okay, so this is what I got, my gradient for the second surface. Okay, all right, it's written at the point of intersection minus 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, so let me take out minus 1 comma 2 comma 1. So at this point, let me take out what gradient I'm getting, what is the value of gradient I'm getting. And if you notice, these gradients are all vectors. Okay, then this is it will be minus 2, okay, minus 4 ax cap, then plus, okay, minus 1 square is 1, then this is a z cap. All right, then for the second surface, if I have to write, okay, minus log 1, okay, that will be 0. This is 0 over here. Then next thing 2y, that is 2 to 4. Then next thing is okay, so this will be plus a z cap. Okay, so this is what I got, and then I have to take out the angle between these two. Okay, because these two vectors are normal to the surface. Okay, always remember gradient is normal to the surface. Okay, this thing you must remember. Okay, then if I have to take out the angle, how will I take out? So basically this is one vector, this is one vector. Suppose I write it a vector, this I write it as b vector. Then you know, if I have to take out, if I do dot product, then I'll get like this, and then from here I can take out theta, that is A dot B by A B. Okay, so over here, what is the magnitude of first vector? What is the magnitude of the first vector? It is this is 4 square 16 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, then next vector B will be 4 square 16 plus 1. Okay, and A dot B, if I have to do, then it will be 4 plus 1. Okay, all right. Then next, moving on, cos theta is equal to 5 divided by root 18 root 17. Okay, so if I take out the value of theta, then you'll see I'll get 73.4 degrees. If you must have noticed, I have just taken one type of thing, as in over here or over here. I could have also taken it either ways, like I could have taken it 3 minus z minus x square y, and this also, there's another alternative, that is 4 minus y square plus x cos x log z. So depending on which way you're taking your surface, you'll get different values. So you must be wondering why different values. But suppose this is the surface, the normal that is perpendicular to this surface, can be either in upward direction or in downward direction. Similarly, there is another surface. That's given to us. That normal can be either this way or this way. So depending on that, you will get 4 different angles. Okay, so there will be 4 possible angles. This is one possible angle. I want you guys to find out other alternative angles that you are getting. Okay, and do write it in the comment section below. Okay, and remember, for this question or any question like this where it's said about the normal to a given surface, you must remember that you will take out the gradient. Okay, so basically the gradient of a scalar at any point, okay, at any point is perpendicular to the constant V surface that passes through that point. Okay, that passes through that point. Okay, do remember this catch over here. If it's asked normal to a surface, then it will be always gradient. Okay, thank you. That's all for this video.